Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We're going to make slime together. Are you ready to make some clear slime, some cosmic slime, and some metallic slime? This is going to be super cool. Which one shall we make first? Let's make the clear slime first. And we're going to add some glitter to it. Let's begin. First, we need a bowl. And then we're going to open up the slime and pour it into the bowl. Let's make sure we get all the slime out. Okay, that's enough. Now we're going to take a teaspoon and pour in some magic liquid. These are the instructions. It says to put the slime in a bowl. And then we have to take a teaspoon and add 2 teaspoons of this magic liquid. And then we're going to start mixing it up. Let's open the magic liquid up. Okay, now that it's open, we're going to pour 1 teaspoon. And the second teaspoon. It says to slowly start mixing until it becomes slime. Look, it's starting to get thick already. We want a very slimy consistency. If it's too sticky, we can add more of the magic liquid. Let's pour it on the table so we can knead it like dough. I think we're going to need a bit more. Let's put a little bit on top. Let's keep mixing it. It's turning into slime. We have to keep kneading it till we like how slimy it is. I think we should add a bit more. It's getting thicker. Look at that. Do you want to add some glitter to this clear slime? Okay, let's add some glitter. It's so slimy. It's super sticky. Look at that. It's so much fun to play with. It's stuck to my gloves. Should we add more glitter? Let's add some more glitter. Are you ready to do the other ones? Alright, let's make another one. Are you ready to make the cosmic slime? It has glitter inside. This is so cool. We're going to pour it on our table. And then we're going to mix the magic liquid. Okay. Are you ready? We're going to add 2 teaspoons first. 1, 2. Are you ready to start mixing it? Look at that. We have to keep kneading it to make it sticky like the first slime we did. That was super sticky. I had to change my gloves. Let's see how this one turns out. Look how shiny it is. It's very, very slimy. Look at that. Let's keep kneading it to see how it turns out. It's like making dough. And you knead it until it becomes a ball. Let's keep kneading it. Should we add a little bit more of the magic liquid to make it more thick? Yes, we should. Just a few drops. And now we're going to mix. It's super, super slimy. Look at that. It's very, very runny. Let's keep mixing. It's still very runny. Let's add a little bit more. It's becoming very, very thick now. How messy. It's like Spider-Man. Let's clean it. Whoopsie daisy. Oh no, we've created a big mess. It's so stringy. Are you ready to make the metallic slime? Let's pour it on the table. Now we're going to add some magic liquid. Let's see what happens. Look at that. It's like magic. It's so shiny. Let's see what happens when we add a lot of magic glue. I wonder what's going to happen. Let's add more. It's become very, very thick. Let's get all the chunks off the table and mix them together. Let's keep kneading it. It became very thick and very chunky. Look how different it looks from the first two. This one looks so different to the first two. We added too much magic glue. Look how chunky it is. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.